All right, guys, level 81 mushroom pickers under the snow. Do you see anything? Of course not, but oyster mushrooms are growing here. We've been watching it, leaving it, hiding it so it could grow. Here, look, there's a beautiful cluster here that's completely invisible. Here they are. All right, well, let's give it a try. Oh, they're coming off with the cluster. Whoa, they're popping out like porcini mushrooms from the moss in the summer. Look, the age and size are ideal, medium. Very beautiful. Just right. So, and this is the kind of winter basket we're getting.